Hello my technical friends, this is TestOut Hybrid Server Pro Core and this is lab 10.7.4 and we are going to configure NTFS and share permissions. So you work as the IT administrator for a small business and are responsible for the corporate network. You are creating a share for the component folder on the COP516 server. The research and development department employees need to store programming components in the shared folder. Data in a shared folder on the NTFS permission has two sets of permission shared. Each user's data access is determined by the most restrictive of these two permissions. You need to secure the data in the folder as follows. Members of the research resources group should have full control over the folder. So in this lab, your task is to implement a combined share and NTFS permission strategy as follows. We are going to share the component folder using the default share name of component. All right, so let's go ahead and start up lab. So should in case you find this video to be helpful, you might also want to consider joining our professional membership or have detailed video access on how to solve any of the TestOut lab. Also like and subscribe to the channel, turn on the notifications so you have access to a wide variety of educational video materials to help you in your educational journey. So the lab has loaded. Let us start up right away. All right, so let's see, we'll go to this PC. And then we'll go to project on the H drive, then we'll go to component. Then we'll go to properties. Then we'll click on sharing, then advanced sharing. Then share this folder. Then permissions. Then let's grant this full control and we'll go ahead and apply and we'll go ahead and click OK. Let's apply this and we'll click OK here. Okay, so we click security and we edit. And let's see, the format tags, research resources is the name given, so we're going to copy this and we are going to add. So we're going to paste the name we copied with check name. Let's see, let's remove the space at the back. Okay, now we'll go ahead and check names, then we click OK and let's grant this full control and we'll go ahead and apply, then we click OK. So let's go ahead and check our answers. So in case you find this video to be helpful, you might also want to consider joining a professional membership, like and subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications so that you get access to all our videos. And thank you for watching and I'll definitely see you in my next video.